In front of me is INFINIX Note 30 VIP, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to tap on this section here called Security. Now scroll again, this time to choose App Lock. And when you're ready, create a pattern you will use to unlock your apps. Then repeat it to confirm it. And if you want to link it to your INFINIX account. If you don't want to do it now, select Skip at the top right corner. Now, to lock any app, tap on Open Padlock next to it. When you finished, go back. So now when I try to open one of my apps are just locked, like Gallery, I can see that pattern is required. If you want to disable app lock from any app, go into app lock section again, enter it, and tap on green now closed padlock next to your app. If you want to disable app lock fully from your INFINIX, use this gear at the top right corner and click on green switcher next to enable app lock. Then choose turn off in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!